Hello guys, welcome to a brand new video on daily tutorials. In today's video I'm going to teach you some easy steps on how you can log in to the Coventry Building Society. Before we start the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Without further ado, let's move on to the video. First of all, make sure that you're connected to the internet. Once you made sure that you're connected to the internet, open up a web browser. Now once the web browser is open up on your screen, type in www.coventry.com.uk and hit enter. Once the home page of the Coventry Building Society opens up on your screen, on the top right corner of your screen you'll see the login button. Go ahead and click on it. After you click on the login button, you'll be guided to another page. In this page you'll have to fill in your username here and then click on the next button. Once you click on the next button, and if you have filled in your username correctly, you'll be guided to another page which will help you to log in to the Coventry Building Society. I hope this video helped you to log into the Coventry Building Society. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Thank you for watching.